In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the forecast tool for price prediction. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, this tool can be incredibly handy for reading potential market trends and making informed decisions. Let's dive into this step-by-step tutorial to help you master the forecast tool on your charting platform, enhancing your trading strategy with visual planning. First, you'll want to open your desired chart. For our example, let's assume you're looking at the Bitcoin to USD trading pair on your charting software, perhaps something like Tradingview. Make sure you're on the right chart that represents the asset you're interested in analyzing. Having the correct chart open will allow you to effectively use the forecast tool in the next steps. Once your chart is in front of you, locate the Drawing Tools icon on the toolbar. It often looks like a plus sign or the word Draw. Click on it, and a variety of drawing options should pop up. Among these, you'll want to find the Forecast tool. It'll be listed here, so take a second to familiarize yourself with the various options, as understanding the tools at your disposal can give you great insight into the trends and patterns developing in the market. Now, go ahead and click on the Forecast option. You'll notice your cursor changes, ready for interaction with the chart. This tool allows you to pinpoint specific movements by selecting parts of the chart directly. It's essentially a way to visualize future price movement based on past data trends. To get started with the actual prediction, tap on the chart where the current move you're interested in starts. This is your initial reference point. You'll draw from here to where you think the price might head, based on your analysis and market conditions. This initial tap will act as the anchor for your forecast projection. From the initial point, drag the tool to extend it toward your target level. As you drag, watch closely where the tool aligns to your anticipated price target and stop-loss levels. It's helpful to visualize potential scenarios, considering both optimistic and cautious outcomes. Once you've done this, the tool will generate a visible projection on your chart, showing possible outcomes and giving a wider perspective on potential market behavior. This is a powerful visual aid perfect for planning. However, remember, it's primarily a planning tool not meant for active trading decisions in real time. Treat this as a rough guide alongside other analyses and market indicators to foster better informed trading strategies. And there you have it, your go-to guide on utilizing the forecast tool for predicting price movements. Incorporate this into your regular routine, and you'll find that planning your trades visually can give a clearer understanding of potential market directions, equipping you with the insight needed to trade with greater confidence. Happy trading!